Good morning, you guys. Hope you are doing well.
Last week I put out a video, and in that video I discussed the lighting that came in for the niche. If you haven't seen that video, then I highly recommend that you watch that video before watching this video, because I do discuss the two different lighting options that I had to choose from, and in that video I made my selection. I will be leaving both options in the description box. That way if you guys are interested, you can locate, find it, and use it as needed. So last night I was actually supposed to get up and take everything out the niche, but I figured I'd wake up this morning and go ahead and do it. I had to take my little one to school, so I was still kind of up, and I knew Mr. Eric, my electrician, was going to be coming in at about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I would have the time to do that. So before he came, I went on ahead and I cleared off the niche. That way he can start working. This is Mr. Eric. If you guys are new to my channel and you've never seen him before, again, he is my electrician. He's been doing the electrical work in the house thus far and homes that I've previously lived in. So as of right now, he's been with me for about, I would say, maybe 8 years on and off. Of course, when ceiling fans need to be changed out, outdoor lighting, he is the person that I call. Some of the work that he's doing currently in the house, you don't need to hire an electrician. You can do some of the stuff yourself, but the house is still very much under warranty. So if I have anyone doing any sort of electrical work, they do have to be licensed, bonded, and insured, and he is, which is why most of the time when it comes to doing any sort of electrical, I hire him to do the work. So that is just my small little tidbit. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and allow Mr. Eric to do his install, and I'll be sharing tips along the way. The ceiling finish. You didn't get to see any of this finish. When?
When I was here the last time.
But when you moved the light, was it already done? It wasn't done. But that's what I'm saying. You didn't get to see it like furniture back in and everything. Well, this is it. This is what my brain came up with.
Looks good.
Huh?
It looks good.
Thank you. I love it. Hey, Amanda.
How would you assess your performance, your stamina, and overall how you perform? Well, I'm used to doing it for 3 minutes, and sometimes that 2 minutes feel like 3 minutes.
Oh my God! I didn't even know that you. Oh my God! I didn't even know you cut it on. I didn't even see my phone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's light. Oh my goodness. I ain't even sure. Mr. Eric, you be doing your thing. Thank you. It looks so good. Oh. Oh my God, Mr. Eric. Thank you.
While Mr. Eric is working on the left side, I wanted to just go ahead and mention to you guys that maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, I did a collaboration video with Lutron. In that video, I really couldn't share the lighting and also the features that having this outlet provides. But in today's video, I'm gonna share that with you guys, and I am so excited. It's all about the hands-free for me. The fact that the lights weren't installed, Mr. Eric noticed that the lights weren't working the way they were supposed to. So he did end up having to unplug everything back and rework the wiring again to make sure that everything was going to be working again, which is why I hired him, just because I don't really want to be bothered with this type of work. So once this lighting fixture gets installed, you guys will get to see the magic that is about to happen, which had me so excited. And if you follow me on Instagram, 9 times out of 10, you have seen how I'm able to control the lights with my phone. I do plan on installing a lot more Lutron products in the house. I've already started with some of the rooms. And again, the hands-free for me, you guys, it's so amazing.
Guys, Mr. Eric is installing some other stuff in the house for me, but when I did my video for Lutron, you guys could not see this, but I want you to see it now. So pretty much this is off, this is on, then you have the dimmers. There's about 7 buttons for it to dim down. Hopefully you guys can see it dimming. This is the last one here. Okay, did you guys see that? So this is the final and the last light option. I'm gonna show you guys again tonight so that way you can actually see how the light looks at its brightest, because you probably haven't even seen the full potential of what this is offering, but I'll go back up again. Then I'm gonna set it up to my phone to see if I can get it to connect. Which one do I do, like a spotlight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh spotlight, ceiling fan light. Oh, spotlight. Dang.
No,
You
no,
really-
no, they're connected to it.
Yes, it is.
They're supposed to flash on, flash off, and come back on. while
Okay,
they're connected.
done.
Man, you silly. You silly.
I mean, it's just not having to get up. It's the not. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, hold on a minute.
See, I'm like that too.
Look, 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 look. Wait a minute.
See, that's how I am with my ceiling fan. I don't have to get up. I just hit the button. Turn the fan on, the light on. And I got the smart thermostat. I can go to my phone and.
I'm telling you, it's so convenient.
Mhm.
It's so convenient.
That's why I had to get 2 modems from a Wi-Fi because I got so much stuff on it.
But you know what this remind me of? You know, like back in the day when you used to watch those movies and they be like,
Mm-hmm.
and the light come on and come. So now we just sit here and be like, you know what? I want to change the ambiance real quick. Let me put my phone out real quick. Let me do this. I want, when the ceiling fan come, I want to add one for the ceiling fan too. So that way I can control that, and we already have one for the sconce lights.
Yeah, you got, when you get it, you want it for the ceiling fan
So-
light, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for the light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I could do the ceiling fan and the light, right?
You will have to get 2.
That's fine. I'll get two. I want to be able to control everything from my phone when it comes to the
You
lights.
can, you know, turn on the ceiling fan.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, when it comes to the light, I want to be able to control everything through my phone. Oh, Mr. Eric,
Yeah,
thank you.
you there.
Okay, bring in Mr. Eric.
Okay,
Huh?
okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you didn't have it.
Huh?
Well, it wasn't, the thing wasn't turned on or something?
I guess. That was what it was.
Well, it's working on because every time when I come here, I get the doorbell, but you never respond.
Yeah,
That's why I call you.
Oh, listen. I done missed a few things like that.
Is that it?
Huh?
Is that it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much.
All right.
I'll see you again when these other lights come in.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys, I did not have to wait until tonight. I forgot that my roller shades are black out. See? Comes in really handy. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you the lights now. I don't have to wait until tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at the lowest. Again, this is at 5%. And then once I go up, you'll see it. You see how bright it got, and then I'm just gonna lower it again. That way you guys can see it. So it just really sets the tone. And the thing too that you have to consider with this, right now it's at 17%. Once again, it's like really, really dark. The fireplace is going. I have music, which there's a TV in this room right here. For those of you guys that are new to my channel, this right here is a closet. This door, and there's a TV in there, and I have the music going on in there, fireplace is going, the mood is set. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off, then I'm gonna cut it back on. Okay, and again, it's at the brightest with the dimmer, and then I'm gonna lower it. You guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.